Hey guys, Vintage Poke Shop here. Wanted to show you another spreadsheet that you have access to as a Discord member. This is going to be a product input sheet. So for example, let's say you just finished your show, you want to do all the accounting, figure out exactly how much you profited. This is going to make that a very simple and easy process. All you're simply doing is entering a couple basic things and it's going to do the rest for you. So how it works is you start out here. This is where you're going to enter your products. On the left column is where you enter your product names. On the right is where you enter your cost per product. Okay, so take Twilight Masquerade. We paid $3 for it. Say Paldea Evolved, we paid, let's just say $4 for it. Stellar Crown, we paid $3. Crown Zenith, $3.10, so on and so forth. You can change these yourself. So you go to Silver Tempest, you enter in the product you bought, and you enter in your price per product. Right now, step 2 is if you go to the left side over here, right on the sheet, each thing is going to have a drop down of all the items on the right side. So anything that you put on the right is going to show up on the left. So for example, take Twilight Masquerade. Let's put evolutions. Okay, if we go here, it says evolution. Now it has the same calculation as far as what you paid. You want to put what you sold for, and then you want to put your net minus fees. So let's change this back to Twilight. Okay, we'll grab that. Now, to find your sold price, what you do is you go to your orders, just like here. You could see, $28, Stellar Crown 5-pack. That's what you sold it for. Now, to see what you actually got paid out, you do click on it, and this box on the right will pop up, and it's going to say your total payout. It's going to show you all the different fees and everything that you need to know. So $24.46 is our total payout, right? So you take that number. You're going to go back to the spreadsheet here, $24.46. Okay, you're going to put your sold for price, which was, let's take a look again, $28 for 5 packs. Let's say 5 sold for $28, and it's going to automatically calculate your profit here. Okay, so net minus fees, that's again what you got paid out. And this rightmost box, it shows you the total. Now it is a running total. So what I mean is, let's do this. We're going to copy this right here. So let's say Twilight Masquerade, let's say 5 packs. Let's say we sold it for $28. Let's say our net after fees was $24.46. And then watch what happens over here. Okay, it spits out the profit, and then the total includes the additional all the way down. So to show you what I mean again, let's say we take Crown Zenith, $3.10 a pack. Let's say we sold 10 of those. It's going to put our cost. Let's say we sold them for $50. Right, let's say our net after fees was $42. It's going to show your profit, and it's going to calculate that total on the right. So as you go through your show, you go through all your orders, you input all these different informations here. It's going to automatically give you that total, and then from there you know exactly what you netted. So it's a pretty simple way to calculate how much you made. Very simply, you take what your total product cost was for that show. You take your total net, right? You're going to subtract the cost from the net, and what you have left over is the profit. So that's basically how it works. It spits it out automatically, computes it all for you, gives you the running total. Same for the cost. So if you need to figure out exactly how much you actually spent versus how much you made. It does it automatically. It's very easy to use. This is something for the Patreon Discord members. So there's a lot of streamers in there, and this is going to help them kind of streamline figuring out the accounting aspect. And the data that you get from this, there is another spreadsheet that you could go ahead and take this data and enter it on. So just meant to make your life easier, less thinking, and just kind of automatically calculate some things here. I appreciate you guys. Thank you and have a good one.